Today's Teton quick tip, all about tent repair. From stinking tents to broken poles, let's fix this. If there's a hole in the mesh of your tent, we recommend using clear gear repair tape. Make sure that you cut all of the corners nice and round so there's nothing for it to snag on down the road. Perfect. When you're applying the patch to the mesh, you want to make sure that you do so in a delicate fashion. When repairing a hole in the bottom of your tent, you can use the same process with the gear tape. Just make sure that you clean the surface with isopropyl alcohol first. Did you snap a tent pole the same way you snapped your arm in the first grade trying to impress Jessica on the monkey bars? No sweat. Let's splint this baby up. Tape the end so that the splint doesn't move around. If you don't have a splint, feel free to use a tent stake as an alternative. Since your tent is in a shower, it's important to make sure that you're resealing the seams on your tent. When applying the seam sealer, make sure that you're only applying a small amount followed by the brush. We recommend giving it about a day to dry. Does your tent stink after storage? Air it out, and don't store it when it's wet. And that's today's Teton quick tip. Get outdoors and enjoy life.
Sports!